channel. Today I'm going to be doing boho, or I think it's goddess braids, but with my natural hair. So I did just come with the shower and I just washed it. So I'm just going to quickly show you the products that I am going to use. So I haven't put my leave-in in my hair because I kind of want my hair to be more dried when I'm applying these products. So I am going to use my leave-in conditioner. This one is the the green tea super moist leave-in, and then I am going to go ahead with my Eco Styler coconut oil. I have used this already in one of my previous videos. I did so I had realized lately that my hair's been flaking with products that I've put in my hair, and I honestly think it's my leave-in conditioner. So that's why I haven't added my leave-in conditioner. But before I started the video, I quickly did a little sample with the leave-in and the gel, and just mix it together and see if it clumped. If it did clump, that means it's not good mixture together, but it went really smoothly, so I know that it's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my brand new Deadman brush that I got from my curly girl event, and I'm gonna go ahead with my rat tail comb, 2 clippies, and I recently just bought this oil and I honestly like it. It is the Main Choice. I've liked it. I've tried their deep conditioner to this. It is really nice, but if I do get any more products, you guys will be the first one to see it. So let's just get right into this video. trick. So what I do to help myself like take the strands out is I add more gel to my hair, or I add more gel to my hand. So as I pull off like that strand to make the curl, I apply the gel right away, so that way I don't have to worry about like sticking it out or trying to like use a clip to hold it. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. So now in order to take out a piece, I just took some jello. I know it's a lot, but I'm just gonna now take a piece out and literally just use the gel that I have on my hand and like literally just weigh it down compared to like what's to braid, and then continue braiding. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then just continue braiding. And then I go ahead and add some more gel to my hand. Take another piece out. Literally, you're just pinching off a piece off of the braid that, like, off of the 3 pieces that are in your hand already. Sorry. And then just like that. Quickly, I know some people are also going to ask me about like my parting. It's not straight. I did not use a mirror. Like, I use a mirror this way, but I did not use a mirror until I look at the back of my head, because that would just take me longer to perfect my parts, and I don't want to take longer. Like, I literally have been doing this now for an hour and a half, and that's only in the back of my head. So let's see.